Is doing well. Our today's target is to record an expense in Zoho Books. Since we are adding an expense with which your profit would be decreased. Before starting, I would like to let you see how much profit right now we are earning or how much loss we are facing. So the first thing is to check the report. Here you can see we have the reports. What you will do, just click upon reports. After clicking, you will see several other options are available. Second step is to see this profit and loss account. Since we have not made any transaction, so there will be zero profit shown by this report. Just wait for a second and we can have this financial analysis report. Look, why it is showing zero? Because there is no transaction. So our today's target is to add an expense. For that purpose, you will go to this purchase account. All right, this purchase account would have an option to add an expense. What you will do, click upon purchase, and now when you will click, you will see this expense account. Here you will click. A new form will be opened where detail of that particular expense you can add. Now look at here, record an expense. You will click over here. After that, you will add details regarding your expense account. First, this date is automatically mentioned. Second step is to select the account. We are upon here and you can see that select an account. So there are two ways if you want to specify the name of expense. For example, you have paid some amount for advertisement or marketing. So this expense can be added and recorded specifically, and in the second option is to record this expense in cost of goods sold statement. So what I am going to do, I will select the account. So here you can see that cost of goods sold is also available. Different expenses name are also available. And the good thing is, if any new expense account you want to add, option is also available. So what I was discussing, advertisement and marketing expense heading is already available. So I'm going to click it. I have selected advertisement and marketing, and let's see, amount of expense is 100. Remaining detail is exactly dependent upon you, whether you want to add tax inclusive or exclusive. Here we are paying this cash from petty cash, which means immediately cash has been paid. Now you want to add vendor to whom this cash has been paid, you can add over here. Reference means any note or any reference of shopkeeper, vendor, about the product, about an expense. If you want to make any reference, you can write, and internal record notes can also be put over here. If you have made this expense for any customer, you can write the name of customer. So according to your business requirement, you will be adding these records. For the time being, we are just be considering the record of particular expense. So 100 rupees expense for advertisement has been made. After filling all requirement, you can see at bottom of the page, save alt plus else is available. You will be clicking over here. As this expense would be saved, it means it would be the past, or it would be recorded, and it would be part of your profit and loss statement. Initially we have seen there was no profit, no loss, and now when we will check our profit loss statement, what will happen? You will be facing a loss of 100 rupees. Why? Because there is only expense we have recorded, no income was recorded over there. So again we are going to check reports. In reports we will go to profit and loss statement, and here the first thing you can see is your profit loss statement. I'm going to click over here and you will see that record of that expense is now available, 100, and your profit is in negative sense. Why? Because there is only one expense. So guys, you have seen that if you want to record any expense in Zoho Books, you can record it. I'm very sure that you people have understood how to record an expense. It is requested to practice several other expense heads as well, so that you can make yourself very clear and clean about the concept of recording expense in Zoho Books. So this was all about today's topic. If you need any further explanation, you are very open to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly contact to share your query. I will humbly be trying my best to answer your question quickly. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.